work on this. Maybe I'll grab that, press 1 so I can see it better. I can see the skewed up lines better. I can grab this and maybe pull it in. Grab that, pull it in so it kind of averages out. I think I have one edge loop running down this way. I think. Anyway, do that. Pump that out. Frick, just frickin' do that. Good. There you go. Now that fiddling around, grab that, smash it flat, boom, bring it back. Bring this out, bring this in a bit, blah blah blah. So all I'm saying is this. How flowing is this? Am I getting jaggedy lines? Hell, I can even stitch it to here. Yeah. Yeah. Get rid of that. Again, this guy right here. First, what I'm going to do is just use the multi-cut. I'm going to keep this line here for a moment because it's keeping the information about the wideness of it intact. So I'm going to click and snap. Then I'm going to delete this. That way it doesn't mess with the shape of it. Grab this, pull out. Grab this, pull. Hell, I can grab this, right? Because I have my buffer line here that will keep the shape of the cylinder intact. That's why I can go in here, grab at the base, yank it out this way. And if I want, I can also yank it down a bit so it flows. But make sure to have this intact. Yeah. Okay, next. Just here, I can pull it down. So I have a nice flowing transition. There you go. Pop. All because this thing is intact. My buffer. Boom. 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 It's a bit much, maybe. I can pull it back if I want. Yeah, right there, that's the problem. There you go. So this is gonna be how to think about the rib cage. This is where it's good to have examples of how limbs deform, deformation. this part here caving in. Right, that's 47 minutes. Okay. Boom. Good, 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 good. Incremental save. Soon I'm ready to put in the deltoids, and that's a wrap. Add an edge loop here. Bop, 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 bop. I don't know what kind of edge loop. You know what? 47 minutes. I'll go for another 2 minutes maybe. I'm gonna use my multi-cut. Click and snap. Again, I'm putting it in because you have big planks. First obvious clue is that there's massive planks that are disproportionate to the surrounding quads, polygons. That's my first clue that I need to do something here. Next clue is that this part here needs more meat, right? And the only way you can put more meat is by adding edges or edge loops. I'm using a multi-cut, so I'm cutting across. I come to this juncture where I don't know what to do. Do I just connect it here, right? Do I connect it here, or do I terminate it here? Do I terminate it here, right? So as a student, you come to this situation, but for now I'm gonna press W just to leave my mark, and then my spacing 1 2 3 1 2 3 good. Now over here, right, this part is tricky because you have to think about the deltoid. But first of all, I'm going to just grab this and this, press R, I'm going to pancake it flat. That's all I'm going to do. Then I'm going to pancake it flat this way. Why did I do this? Because I don't want to deal with stupid ass wiggly lines, right? I want to have control of the situation. The best way to do that is to just hammer it out and not deal with. See, this is, I don't like dealing with this. I'm gonna just leave it alone for now. 50 minutes. And maybe what I can do is press D as in David, and then maybe I can rotate it like this. So what I'm doing is setting up a custom angle to scale it. Alright, so I rotated it at this trajectory, then pop. I have a nice clean arc. Ooh, but did it compromise the shape? No, it didn't, because my volume is still the same, straight lines. Good. Yeah. It was slightly compromised. Uh-oh, I don't like that. Maybe if I deselect that. Right. This. Oh, motherfucker. Fine. I mean, if I do this, I don't want to do that. Or I could do that and then rotate it. That's gonna compromise the thing. Maybe I can go and do this, and then maybe I can do this. It's fairly straight. Yeah. Or maybe undo it, leave it alone. Yeah, leave it alone. This looks all fucked up. And I'm gonna, this that I made, where I made it straight, I'm gonna keep that. And then what I'm gonna do, okay, open that up, open that up, open that up. I remember doing this. Right. Ooh, I forgot about this. These have to pull back too. Right. Then grab this. Grab this. Boom. Yeah. Pull that out. Round out the neck. Yep. There we go. Ba. This part, I'm also gonna pull it back, keep it nice and straight, predictable. So, boom. There you go. So there's real time showing, setting up the initial train tracks. It still looks like shit, but it's fine. Right. Straighten it out. Doing this on purpose so that I don't have to worry about skewing lines. And then I can grab, maybe I'll grab this and this, then do that, right? This and this, but this time press D as in David. I'm going to just chuck it over here, put my pivot point here. I'm going to press R and then smash it flat. It's going to do it over there. So everything is under control. I'll leave that alone. Okay, so I did it so that everything here is clean and just strictly blocks, and I can touch it up afterwards. Yeah. All right. Okay. Then pump that up. I'm going to grab this, pull it forward, building up this area. Flatten this out on purpose. Okay. This here. Okay. Pull it back a bit. This here, pull it back a bit. But for sure this I need to touch up. So I'll grab this and this. And press D as in David. Put it over here. Press R. Basically, I want this to be straight line. There. I'm gonna leave it angled like that. I don't want to compromise the circumference. I'm gonna make this straight. Okay. Right, so that is straight, good. Then I'm gonna dial it back up to here. So I'm just doing prepping. It's a nice continuous edge loop. Grab that, dial it back. Is this one straight? Yeah, it is straight. Why does it look crooked? Whatever. Okay. This part here, maybe I'll dial it back. Dial it forward, maybe. Alright, so this, baba, baba, baba. Right. So I'm just cleaning that up. There, grab that. Yeah, there you go. Why the hell does that look crooked? Whatever, I'm gonna grab this and this. I'm just gonna smash this flat too. And maybe I'll smash this flat and pull this down. Or not. Leave it alone. Okay. Alright. So there's these train tracks set up. Ooh, this train track. Look at that. Totally forgot about that. Yep. Good. Alright, that's probably the last thing I'm gonna do. I'm gonna wipe this out. I'm gonna grab this. Control Shift right click. Edge slide. Slide this guy down. Grab this vertex, slide that vertex down. Make sure everything is flowing nicely. Multi-cut, click and snap. There. Boom, boom. This part, I remember doing this. Slide it up. A couple of these. And then I'm gonna just for now snap it like that. Boom, boom. Typically I want a divider here. It's gonna make everything heavy. But then I need to push these guys further this way to make room. It's already been quite a while. So I'm gonna do an incremental save. And then whole point is to build out the edge loop. Supporting edge loop topology, pop up, something like that. Or something like like that. Anyway, so that's the end of this video. Alright, bye.